What is going on, guys, and welcome back to this video. And in this video I'm going to be showcasing my board game that I have created, spray painted, constructed, and partially coded. So this is my board game called Pong, and I made it with a little microcontroller. Oh, it's on the other side right there. Yep, right there, if you guys can see that. I have all the wires and everything underneath. Let me just plug it in so I can show you guys how to play this board game. The plug-in is right underneath there. It's a DC jack. So when I go to plug it in, the underglow turns on and those flash. So this is the scoreboard, and this is the actual game itself. That's a scoreboard for the other player. So the whole point of the game is that's just a natural light, or it's just cool underglow light. But the whole point of the game is there's gonna be a dot here. It's gonna bounce back, and when it gets between right here, you have to click the button, and if you do, it bounces back. And then they have to click the button when it gets to them. So here, I'll just show you a little bit. I'll try to click it with my toes. The board is really far, but okay. So the light's gonna come down, and I have to press it when it gets red. Oops, I messed that up. Press, and it bounces back. Oh, I didn't press it good enough. Well, it's so hard to do with your toe. But anyways, if you miss, the other person gets a toe, or gets a point. And it gets faster and faster as it goes. See, it's starting to get really fast. Uh-oh. Oh, I messed that up. Oh, see. So, when it goes down there, I can show, see the score. So, this is 5 right now. It's going to turn 6 when it hits the end. Just like that. See, and now the other person got a point. And so on. So, it's 7 to 6 right now. Probably going to have to focus. But it goes to 9, so it's 7 to 8, and they're at 9. So when it goes back down, these guys are gonna get 10. It's gonna flash green because they won, and that team lost. So that's about it. This is kind of like a drinking game for my friends and I, or whoever wants to use it in college or whatnot. So what we were thinking about doing was, every 2 points that somebody gets, the other person has to take a shot or drink or etc. I don't really have rules yet for this game. And obviously, I mean, if you're drunk, it's gonna be harder to tell when to press that button, and everything's gonna be blur and whatnot. So yeah, I think that's about it. I'll probably leave a couple different videos at the end of this little commentary right here, just to show what the board is and how it works and everything. And I did get this idea from a YouTuber named Great Scott, and I will post his channel in the description. Everyone should go check him out. He's a great electrical engineer. And I know this is not speaker related, but I think I'm going to add some speakers to the bottom of this just to make some noise. I can add a speaker right there or at the other side. Okay, I had to turn flash on, but so the wiring, I should probably turn this light off. The wiring is right here. It's a big old jumbled mess because you have, let's see, you have 15 wires coming out of that right there. Got the positive and negative connected to this 12-volt DC jack. Oh, to power this, I bought this from one of the neon lights that I bought on Amazon. Came with it. It's a let's see, AC adapter, so it outputs 5 volts at 10 amps, which is roughly, I think, what this electrical strip runs is about 10 amps, actually, a little bit less than that, because I used almost the whole roll, I believe, because this is about 5 feet long, so 4, 8, and then 12 back all the way down, and then probably another foot or something like that for those LEDs and those. And I didn't use exactly the whole strip, so yeah, I think the whole strip said it was about 10 amps with the power. but I don't know. So yeah, I used flex tube. I think that's what that's called. This right here. It comes in, like, I had this left over in subwoofer wire for like car installs and stuff like that. So I decided to just wrap it up and put some zip ties on it. The zip ties are great. And then I hot glued it to the board so nothing sticks. Yeah, I think that's about it. It has spindles at the end. This thing is just for a little extra support. It's pretty much worthless, but yeah, if you guys have any comments, questions, or if you want like a tutorial on how to do this, I can help you guys out. Do whatever you want. Then again, this is called Pong. Here's like little button things that I made. I just cut out the button and then cut out like the piece of wood and then carved a little indent for the button. I had about a bunch of buttons from Amazon, and these really work well. I think they're called momentary push buttons, I believe. So when you press it, it's on, and when you let go, it's off. And yeah, if you guys have any comments or questions, like I said, please leave it in the description. Please like this video. I worked extremely hard on this board, and it looks extremely nice. Everyone loves it and thinks it's phenomenal. But yeah, leave a like if you enjoyed, and if you want more content similar to this. I produce a bunch of stuff that I build or just have stuff for my free time. And yeah, feel free to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong, one shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more, and I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging. I've been keeping real, I've been doing what I feel, I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone. I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They going to school and they working a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box, nobody telling me what I should rock, nobody telling me what I should drop, cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring, I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master, I'm building my craft, and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get a win, but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you, but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool, but they not new. Whoa, look how I go, gonna be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gonna lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gonna lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm young and I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most, know I'm never gonna choke, and I'm looking back down on the people below.